Insert cotton swabs into the holes of the power strip. Trim them beforehand to the proper length. Place them into the openings, one in each hole. Next, apply electrical tape and adjust it to the size of the strip, cutting a suitable piece. Now place the cable, coiled in a loop, against the strip. Wrap the cable around the strip to keep it from tangling. Finally, pass the plug through the loop you created and gently pull the cable tight. Everything stays neatly secured and ready for storage. Put scissors into salt and you won't believe what happens. Pour salt into a bowl and place the scissors inside. Open and close them for about 45 seconds. The salt gently removes buildup and smooths the blades. After a moment, take the scissors out and wipe them with a paper towel. Try cutting a piece of paper. The scissors will be sharp again like new. Pour this on and your steel will shine like new. You'll remove stains, rust, and ugly streaks in just moments. Normally, this takes expensive cleaning products and a lot of scrubbing, but here's a simple method that makes steel shine like a mirror. The first ingredient of this easy mixture is lemon. Its juice works as a natural degreaser, dissolving residue and leaving the surface clean and shiny. Squeeze the juice from both halves and pour it into a small plastic container. Add a bit of hydrogen peroxide. It helps remove discoloration and tackle tougher stains. Now it's time for toothpaste. Squeeze out a generous amount. Its fine abrasive particles gently polish the steel, while the added ingredients bring out shine and freshness. Mix everything well until the paste dissolves and forms a smooth solution. Pour it onto the stainless steel surface and wipe it down. Finally, polish with a cloth. No more rust or dirt. The steel regains its natural shine and looks brand new. And you don't need to buy new items or spend money on harsh chemicals. Just use what you already have at home. I'll show you today how to attach a slider to a zipper tape. If you have the zipper, but the slider and tape separately, it's tricky to deal with. When you put the slider on one part of the tape, it's hard to attach the other part. You can try different ways, but today I'll show you two methods. They work best. For the first method, you'll need a fork, just a regular kitchen fork. The prongs of the fork need to hold the slider, but be careful. Don't insert the fork prongs where the slider's prongs will be. I mention this because it might not be clear in the video what I'm doing. The fork prongs must go under the slider handle. That's the movable part you grip when you want to unzip or zip the zipper. The fork must go under this handle. One fork prong from one side and the other from the other side. Only then will you be able to put on the zipper tape. It doesn't matter how you hold the fork with the slider, whether the slider's handle is facing towards you or away. Now just insert the tapes. Do it evenly, simultaneously. Then the tape will be correctly attached. And you can zip up. Just remove the fork, watch again, place the slider on the fork and insert the tapes. Thanks to the fork, there's no problem attaching the slider. Once you've lightly inserted the second tape, the zipper practically closes itself. Let me show you another way. Without using a fork, this works if you don't need such a long zipper. Take scissors and cut the tape right after the prongs. About 1 centimeter is enough. Cut off that piece. Now, put the slider on the longer tape. Slide it up. Align the tapes so their lengths are equal. The slider must be at the same height on both tapes. Insert the other part of the tape. Now you'll attach the slider easily, and the zipper is securely closed. Watch again. Align the tapes. Slide the slider onto the tape. Slide it up. Zip up after attaching the second tape. And it's done. The hidden function of wipes that hotel housekeepers use. All you need to do is take denatured alcohol and pour it into the wet wipe container. Denatured alcohol disinfects, removes bacteria, and dissolves grease and residues. Now, just wipe down the toilet frames, and your toilet will not only be clean but also thoroughly disinfected. It's a simple yet effective way to clean your bathroom hygienically and efficiently. Submerge the razor in salt. Don't waste any more money on new blades. Use this trick instead. Over time and with frequent use, razor blades gradually lose their sharpness. During shaving, they are constantly in contact with coarse hairs and a layer of skin, which causes them to wear down. Pour 1 liter of hot water into a small bowl. Now add 3 tablespoons of vinegar, which has antibacterial properties and dissolves deposits. Then add 2 tablespoons of regular table salt. The salt acts as a natural cleaning agent that removes rust and restores the blade's sharpness. Mix everything thoroughly until the salt dissolves. Next, take your old razors and submerge them in the prepared mixture. Strike them against each other to remove accumulated dirt and hairs that cause the blades to lose their cutting edge. Leave the blades in the water for 20 minutes, covering the bowl with a plate. After that, remove and dry the blades with paper or a towel. Thanks to this method, the razors regain their sharpness and cut like new. No more constantly buying new razors. Each one will now last you much longer. You do not have to throw away your pants when the zipper breaks. Your favorite pants do not have to end up in the trash. There is no need to get rid of them. You also do not have to spend money on tailoring services and replacing the zipper. You can fix the zipper yourself in just a few minutes. Problems with zippers in pants happen often. Sometimes it is only a zipper that keeps coming undone. In that case, a simple rubber band is enough. Make a small loop on the zipper pull. Hook the end of the rubber band around the button. If the problem is the opposite and the zipper gets stuck, it is often enough to rub it with a candle or a bar of soap. But what if the slider has come off one side of the zipper tape? Grab a pair of scissors. No, do not worry. You will not need to rip the pants apart. You only need to cut out a few teeth, only on one side of the zipper, and in the lower part. Slide the zipper down and see how tall the slider is. You need to cut the teeth to the same height as the slider. Cut the teeth on the tape without the slider. Here, the zipper is small, so you do not need to remove many teeth. Cut the zipper tape material between the teeth at the bottom, then make a cut at the marked height. Remove the teeth. At this moment, the missing teeth are clearly visible, but do not worry. First, put the slider back on. When those few teeth are missing, you will not have any problem doing it. Close the zipper. Simply sew the hole in the lower part of the zipper. Then the slider will no longer fall off the tape when the zipper is opened, and the hole will stop being visible. The only difference is that the zipper will be slightly shorter because you will open it a little less than before. For old stains that have been on the paving stone for more than a few days, baking soda works better. It is one of the most effective tricks for removing this type of dirt. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda on the stains and add water. The baking soda will start to foam, creating a cleaning substance. Then, scrub the stone with a brush. Pour plenty of water over the area and let it dry. The stains will vanish from the driveway and the paving stone will look like new. Pour this liquid on the paving stone. The oil stains will disappear. This trick costs pennies and the driveway will look like new. You can remove ugly oil stains caused by dripping from parked cars yourself. You don't need a pressure washer or chemical cleaners for this. It turns out you already have the necessary liquid in your kitchen. Just pour it on the paving stone. To clean, you will need dishwashing liquid and a brush with stiff bristles. Pour the dishwashing liquid generously on the stains. Then, scrub with a wet brush using circular motions. Dishwashing liquid works great on greasy stains. It is inexpensive and readily available. Add some water and scrub thoroughly. After a few minutes, the stain will start to disappear. Finally, rinse with water generously and you're done.